Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Taylor with StreamZ TV, and today I'll be showing you how to install the StreamZ Tv Signature Series app to your device. This video is going to assume that you already have Filelinked installed. If you do not have Filelinked installed, please see our video on how to install Filelinked to your device. Okay, once Filelinked installed, it's going to ask you for our code. The code to our Filelinked store is 7499. 6262. Okay, once you put that number in, just click the OK button. You'll see continue highlighted. Select continue, and then it's going to ask you for a PIN. The PIN number for our store is 7879. Again, click the OK button, and on some devices you may have to select back so that you can highlight the continue button. All right, you'll see a prompt that says this account is for StreamZ Entertainment customers only. Okay, you can dismiss that, and you just give it a second. There may be an ad or something that pops up. But when we look through here, you'll see that we have, there's the ad, just dismiss that. We have the Signature Series app, so you want to go ahead and download that. Okay, if you are on a box, an Android box, and you want to play the video games, then you'll want to download RetroArch as well as Retro Games. All right, we won't be doing that in this video, and we'll have another video that shows you how to set that up. We also have the RC3, which is our old app. If you want to download that, you can download that, as well as Cyberflix, Cinema HD, Zion TV, and TV app repo. Those are just a few things. But in this video, our primary concern is the StreamZ Tv Signature app. Okay, once it's completed and the bar is highlighted all the way, you'll click the right arrow icon, and then it's going to prompt you to install, and just select install. Now, if this is your first time on a brand new device, you may have to go into your settings, into your app options, and enable your developer options so that you can download third-party apps. Okay, now that the app is installed, you'll click open, and it's going to ask you to input your username. Okay, so I'm just going to type in a username here that I made for this video, and then I'm going to select next. Now click the back button so that it goes back and you have a full page. Be sure to select remember me. If not, you'll have to log in every time that you boot up. Then select log in. Give it a moment, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You now have the StreamZ Tv Signature Series app. Thank you for